what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and welcome if you are new. Hey girl, hey. So today we are going to be reviewing this big luscious lioness wig that I have on my head right here right now. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, so today's wig was sent over from LuxeHair. This is what the packaging looks like. They gave a ton of goodies, but the wig is a 13x4 honey colored kinky curly lace front wig. It is 150% density, 24 inches long, and this is just what the frontal looks like. The density is very nice on the frontal, so if you like to lay frontal, you're going to really enjoy this, and especially if you like this color. The construction is typical construction, combs on the side, a comb in the back. It does have like adjustable straps, but they have an elastic band on here that literally adjusts from one side to the other, which make this wig a glueless wig. So this is a glueless wig. So now I'm going to co-wash the wig and let it air dry. Okay, so here is the wig after it has been air dried and co-washed, of course. So we are about to get to styling. Probably just gonna do a middle part, or I might do a side part. I don't know.
My baby loves me right, good loving day and night. Yeah, they always did my side. Yeah, they make me feel alright. My baby loves me right. My baby, they cool me down. Yeah, they always did my side. Yeah, they make me feel alright. Not only you, baby, I said not only you. Not only you did my mind. Not only you get my time. Magic for you. I got the magic for you. Hey, you know, I got the package for you. I got the package for you. I got that honey, that honey, that honey, that honey. You need that honey, that honey, that honey. Honey, you be on my line for the honey.
Okay, so this is the final look. I'm gonna leave it in a side part. You know, I was feeling a little different or whatever. I usually don't wear these in a side part because I just feel like they look best on me in the middle part, but this actually looks really cute in the side part, and I'm here for it. Now let's get into what I think about this wig. So first and foremost, the curl pattern is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I love the color as well. This is a 13x4 frontal, so you can, you know, this has frontal. You can lay it like frontal, but for me, the way my hairline is set up, I can only go but so far. You understand? So this is what I can do, but you, if you lay frontal, can do so much more with this wig. But it does have a 13x4 frontal, even though I prefer like a T-part or a lace part wig. But you know, for the girls who don't, here's your 13x4. Okay, the density is really good. Like I said, with these wigs, they have that adjustable strap that literally goes from one side to the other, so it is completely glueless. You don't have to use any glue to adhere this wig because it is a glueless wig because of its construction and that elastic band. The thing that I will say though, I don't like that when I was trying to style this wig and I parted it to the side, because initially I was gonna wear it in the middle part, right? So when I co-washed it, I put it in the middle part, but once I put it on, I was like, I think I'm feeling the side part. And when I parted it to the side and even put mousse on it, it would not get back in place. Okay, I think I showed you a little bit of it, but it would not get back in place. The hair really would not like mold back together to look uniformed like how usually curly wigs do. When you put mousse or water on a curly wig, usually it will take back its unity with the rest. It'll clump together basically. It wasn't doing that. Okay, so I was like confused. It was still very much so like puffy. It wasn't like, you know, it just wasn't doing that. And I was like, what's happening? So then I pulled out the water and then I sprayed it down with some water, and then I you know, use the detangling brush to kind of like help it clump together, and it did help it, but I feel like even with that, it still is giving much more va-va-voom than I had anticipated. And I can't like drench it in water. Like, I don't want to have a wet wig on my head. It's basically the winter time. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to do that. As far as the feel of the hair, it feels really, really nice. It feels good. Throughout the wash process, I felt like it was easy for me to detangle the wig and all of that stuff. It clumped beautifully. So I don't know if like maybe it needs to be completely soaking wet for it to like clump back together and then take back its like uniformed, super, like, I don't want to say sleek because it's not sleek, but like just super defined curl. Maybe that's what it is. It has to be like super soaking wet. So for me also, I will be rooting this wig because as you see, it comes like this. I wanted to show you what it comes like, what you will be getting if you purchase this wig. But for me, I am going to go in and root it and add some dark roots because you know how I like to wear my wigs if you're not new here, and for me that just works best. So I am gonna go in and root it, but I just wanted to show you like what it looks like before I do so, because this definitely is a look. I really wish I could wear wigs like this, like on an everyday basis, where like I don't have to worry about rooting it because my hair is gonna be peeking out. You know what I'm saying? I would love to live that life, but I just don't. Obviously, like the way it is right now, without it rooted, it looks really good. It looks bomb. You can't see like my natural hairline or anything. You can see a little bit of the shadow like peeking out right here, but like shh, don't tell nobody. But yeah, y'all, let me know like what you think of this wig down in the comments. Once again, shout out to Unice Hair for sending me over this wig and collaborating with your girl on today's video. If you're interested in this wig, all of the links to the wig and the company will be in the description box for you to check it out. So be sure to do that. And like I said, let me know down in the comments what you think. This is my first time like doing a side part with like this kind of texture, but I'm so into it and I really should do it more often. But yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.